So we are on exercise 11.4, which is based on practical use of algebraic expression, what we have studied in our previous classes. So let's begin with question number 1 of 11.4, which says us answer the following. The first one is, it is telling take Sarita's present age to be y years. सरिता की प्रेजेंट एज हमें लेनी है y. आपको याद होगा, आई हैव taught this type of question in your class only when I was teaching you. So here we are taking Sarita's present age as y. Okay. Now it is telling question number first, what will be her age 5 years from now. 5 years from now का मतलब होता है आज से 5 साल बाद. ठीक है. You are knowing whenever we have 1 year passed, 2 year passed, 3 years passed, our ages are increasing, है ना. Every year we have our age as 1 plus. Okay, like right now if you are 9, next year you will be 10. If next year this year you are 11, next year you will be 12. So always you have 1 year more than your previous age. Okay. So here it is telling that you have to find out the age of Sarita 5 years from now. So right now Sarita is y. After 5 years, Sarita would be y plus 5. Okay. Whatever the age of Sarita right now, it will be plus 5. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is telling what was her age 3 years back. Now 3 years back means the age what we are having right now, उससे 3 साल पहले की बात हो रही है. It means वो 3 साल छोटा रहा होगा या छोटी रही होगी. So this is y, this is the present age. 3 years back means y minus 3. Okay. This is now second one. Question number 3. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. Means यहाँ पर बात हो रही है grandfather की, and he is 6 times of Sarita. So 6 times of Sarita means 6 times मतलब multiply. I taught this to you. Times मतलब multiply. So 6 times of Sarita. Sarita means y. So our answer would be 6y. Okay, this will be the age of grandfather. Students, if you face any confusion, you can simply write on your chat box so that I can clear your doubt. Okay. Question number 4 now. 4 is telling here grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. अब यहाँ पर grandfather नहीं, grandmother की बात हो रही है. And grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So grandfather is 6y. Younger means छोटी. कितने साल छोटी? 2 years. So 6y minus 2. This will be the age of grandmother this time. Now question number 5. 5 is telling Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Now look at here. It is telling 5 years more than Sarita's age. तो देखो पहले यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 5 years more than 3 times of Sarita. So it is telling 3 times of Sarita. बेटा ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब क्वेश्चन में 2 टाइप के पैटर्न मर्ज होते हैं तो हम सबसे पहले बैक से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, बैक से स्टार्ट करते हैं मींस हियर वी हैव 2 कॉम्बिनेशन. 5 years more, this is 5 years more, and the second is 3 times of Sarita, and this line is depending on this line. So first you tell me, if you have to find out 3 times of Sarita, what will you write? Tell me faster. If Sarita is y, what will be 3 times of Sarita? Use your chat box and tell me. What will be 3 times of Sarita? Wonderful. It will be 3y. Correct? Okay. ये हो गया 3y. Now it is telling more. More means what? Plus or minus? More means what? Plus or minus? More means what? Plus or minus? Correct. More means plus. Okay. So ये हो गया आपके पास more. More मतलब plus. Now what we had more? 5 here is more. 5 here is more means we will have 3y plus 5. So our answer will be 3y plus 5 will be the age of Sarita's father. So this is all about question number 1. Now I will also have the practice of this type of question with you all right now, and then we will move ahead with question number B right now. Okay. So students, get ready. Write it down on your fair copy. R.S. Agrawal questions. Write it down on your fair copy. R.S. Agrawal questions. After question number 1A, we will have some sort of R.S. Agrawal question, and then we will begin with question number B. Now students, I am teaching you the pattern of making the expressions very easily. Okay? And then we will use that in our questions. Question number B, C, or whatever it is there, that we will do it. But first we will understand how to form expressions of this pattern, what we are doing right now. So this I am taking from RS. Okay. We can also write down the heading question bank. Okay. Now understand this. Suppose your question is 3 more than 5 times of Z. Now understand this, beta. All of you stay focused to the board what I am telling you right now, because next question's answer you will be giving to me. Understand this. It is telling 3 more than, and second statement is 5 times of Z. It means your question has 2 parts. First part is 3 more than, and the second part is 5 times of Z. So you can first name it. This is first part and this is second part. Always remember, whenever you are doing this type of formation, always do the second part first. Always do the second part first. Why we do this? Because this statement is depending on this. Okay. So may I know from you all, what is 5 times of Z? What is 5 times of Z? Very good. 5Z. 5 times of Z means 5Z. Okay. ये हो गया आपके पास. Now it is written 3 more than. Now we will be doing the first part. 3 more than. So more matlab plus, 3 more matlab 3. So 5Z plus 3 will be the answer of this particular question. Okay. So our answer would be 5Z plus 3. We will not write 3 plus 5Z. We will write 5Z plus 3, because in subtraction it will be little difficult. Okay. Now my question is 4 more than 10 times of X. Now reply the answer in the chat box very faster. 4 more than 10 times of X. Answer in the chat box, please. Very good, Rishabh. Your answer is right also. After Rishabh, Manya, yes, you are right. Arav, you are also right, Pita. Aditya, you are also right. Gauri, correct. Only these students have understood the process. Okay, let's understand this. It is saying here 4 more than. This is the first step. Second is 10 times of X. तो पहले हम solve करेंगे second वाला part. 10 times of X का मतलब होता है 10X. Okay, 10X. Then it's written more. More matlab plus. And what is more? 4 is more. So 10x plus 4 will be the answer of this particular question. Okay. Now move on to the third one, which you are doing it right now. Tell me the answer of this. 11 less than 8 times of A. Do it faster and tell me what will be the answer. 11 less than 8 times A or 8 times of A. Yes, Rishabh, you are right. Aditya, you are right. Okay. Now understand this. We will be having again two parts of this question. 11 less than and 8 times A. So 8 times A means 8A. ठीक है? Then what it is saying? Less. Less मतलब होता है minus. ठीक है? Less मतलब minus. And then what it is saying here? 11 less. So your answer. Yes, your answer would be 8A minus 11. ठीक है? It's okay. The answer will be 8A minus 11. ठीक है? So now I am going to speak one last question of today. That is 20 less than, all of you do it, 20 less than 5 times of T. 20 less than 5 times of T. Yes, Aditya and you two are right. Who has given just now the answer? Yes, Rishabh and Aditya, you were right. What about other students? 20 less than 5 times of T. Yes, Arav, you are also right. Gauri, you are also right. Kaniz, you are also right. Very good. Manya, you are also right. Very good. The answer will be 5 times of T matlab 5T. It is less than matlab minus. And what is less than? 20 less than. So our answer would be 5T minus 20. So this is all completed, beta. Okay, we have completed till here. Now let's focus on our exercise part. Now 11.4 we were doing it. Question number A we have done it. Question number B now we will be focusing on. So question number B is telling here the length of rectangular hall. You always remember beta, when we talk about a rectangle looks like this. Okay, where it has length also, it has breadth also. This is called length, this is called breadth. Fine. In rectangle we have each angle as right angle. Right now it is little tilted because I am not using a scale. Remember, rectangle looks like when it has length, it is called breadth, and each angle is right angle. So it is telling in rectangle the length is 4 meter. Now look at here, length, it is telling length is 4 meter less than 4 meter less than 3 times of breadth. देखो फिर से वैसा ही पैटर्न आ गया जैसा अभी हमने पढ़ा था. 3 times of breadth. ठीक है? Now what your question is telling, understand this. It is telling what is length if the breadth is b. अब इसने आपको ये बोला if the breadth is b, अगर हम breadth को b माने तो what will be the length? Can you please solve it? Solve it now. Two parts. 4 meter less. 4 meter less then 3 times of breadth. Breadth is b. Breadth is b. It will be 3b. Okay, breadth हो गया 3b. because 3b it is taking now, so it will be now 3b. 4 meter less, less matlab minus, 4 meter matlab 4. So our answer will be that length is equal to 3b minus 4 in meters, because question में दिया हुआ था meters में, meter is the unit, so we will be writing meter also in the unit form. Question number B is also done. ठीक है, let's discuss question number C. Question number C is telling here a rectangular box has height h. Now see, it is telling a rectangular box has height h. So we will have now height is equals to h. We have written this. Now it is telling its length and breadth. देखो, it's a cuboidal box. Do you know what is cuboidal box? Tell me. Do you know what is rectangular box which is having the height? Remember, जब हम rectangular box को height दे देते हैं बेटा, तो वो कुछ इस तरीके से दिखता है. Look at here. This is a cuboidal box. Okay, it's a flip card. It's a cuboidal box. Its base is rectangle. Its front is also rectangle. Its side is also rectangle. This side is also rectangle. Side face is also rectangle. So इसको बोलेंगे हम rectangular box having the height. So this is called height. This is called length. And this is called here, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा आपके पास breadth. So remember, it will have 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and height. So the question is telling here, height is h, and written length is 5 times the height. Can you tell me what will be length now? It is telling length is 5 times of height. जल्दी से बताइए. If height is h, what will be length? 5 times of height. जल्दी से बताओ. 5 times of height. Yes. 5 times of h means 5h. So length मिल गई 5h. Yes. Then it is telling here height हो गई, length हो गई. अब क्या हो जाएगी हमारे पास? Next is width. Now what question is telling? Width is 10 centimeter less than the length. It means जो हमारी width है वो length से 10 centimeter less है. Less मतलब कम. So what we will do now? It's telling width is 10 centimeter less than length. Yes, absolutely right. Length मतलब 5h, less मतलब minus. How much less? 10 less. So our answer would be 5h minus 10. This is the complete solution of this particular question. Now question number D. We have done it C, we are doing now D. Question number D is talking about 3 persons. What are 3? Meena, Beena and Leena. They all 3 are friends. Meena, Beena and Leena. How good the name is also there, na? Meena, Beena and Leena. So we have Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. They are climbing the steps to go the hilltop. Now it is telling Meena is at step 7. It means Meena is at S step. जो मीना है वो स्टेप S पर खड़ी हुई है. ठीक है, तो मीना को कौन से स्टेप पे खड़ी है हमको नहीं पता. It is not given only. It is only telling it is step S. So we have written S. Then it is telling Beena is 8 steps ahead. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Ahead मतलब क्या होता है? Can you please tell me? Ahead means what? More or less? Ahead means more or less. मैंने बोला मैं आपसे 8 steps आगे हूं, तो it means क्या है? More है. Okay, correct. So what we will write? 7 steps ahead. सानू इधर पे please. 7 steps ahead. Tell me faster. Yes, it will be now S plus 7. 7 steps ahead. Okay, 7 steps ahead. It means S plus 7. Now the third girl is Lena. Lena is 7 steps behind. Now what will be behind? Behind matlab पीछे. Minus or plus? Minus or plus? Yes, it is minus now. So our answer this time it will be S minus 7. So remember, one friend is 7 steps ahead. Another friend is 7 steps behind. So we have written all their steps now. It is telling the total numbers of steps to the hill is 10. Ab now see, it is giving you a little challenging question. It is telling if the total number you have to find out, huh? Total number of step is 10 less than 4 times Meena. 4 times of Meena, 10 less than. Tell me faster, what we will write down? It is telling total number of step is 10 less than 10 less than 10 less than 4 times of Meena. जल्दी से बताओ कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसको. I have already taught you. 4 times of Meena. What is 4 times of Meena? Meena is S. So 4 times of Meena will be 4S. Correct? Now less. Less matlab minus. How much less? 10 less. It will be 4S minus 10. So our answer for total number of step will be 4S minus 10. ठीक है, 4S minus 10. So question number D is also done. What about question number E? Question number E is the last question which we are doing it today. Okay. A bus travels at V kilometer per hour. It means a bus is traveling at a speed of V kilometer per hour. मतलब जब 1 घंटे चलती है तो V किलोमीटर चलती है. It's going from Daspur to Bispur. There are 2 places, Daspur and Bispur. Okay. So here it is telling after the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 kilometers away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? Express it using V. Now I am asking from you 1 hour V kilometer. 5 hour, what will be the kilometers? Tell me faster. 1 hour V kilometer. Tell me faster. जल्दी से बताइए कैसे करेंगे इसको. This is the last question which we are doing it today. Guess it बेटा, दिमाग लगाइए अपना अपना फटाफट से. How can we do this question? See, question number E. See, it is telling 1 hour V kilometer means 2 hour. It will be 2 into V kilometer. If it is talking about 3 hour, it will be 3 into V kilometer. Okay, the same way, if you are talking about 5 hours, it will be 5 into V kilometer. Okay, so may I know 5 into V मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? It will be 5V. Fine. It means जब 5 hour आपकी जो बस ट्रैवल की होगी तो 5V किलोमीटर ट्रैवल हुआ होगा. ओके, then it is telling what is the distance from Daspur. Bispur is still 20 kilometer away. अभी भी 20 किलोमीटर बाकी है. So it means 5V ऑलरेडी चल चुके हैं. इतना डिस्टेंस ऑलरेडी कवर हो चुकी है बस के थ्रू. अभी भी 20 बाकी है. तो अगर वो 20 चल लेते हैं तो it means पूरी distance traveled हो जाएगी. So it means the answer would be 5V plus 20 kilometer. Remember, because it is telling what is the distance from Daspur to Bispur. ठीक है, बिकॉज अभी भी 20 किलोमीटर बाकी था, दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टेकन 5v plus 20. So this is all about question number 1. A, B, C, D, E, we have done it today. Question number 2 and 3 we will complete it tomorrow. Okay, I'm sure you have understood the part.